Hey Spice Girls and Spice Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ms.Cinnamon Spice, and today we are doing a wig review. Today's hair will be from Beauty Forever. This is actually an Amazon seller. If you guys want to see how this hair look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and continue watching. So we get a wig cap in there, which I already took out and I'm using, and they also send a super cute satin scarf, like a baby hair scarf with their logo on it that you can wear to, make sure your baby hairs is looking good, sis, if that's what you want to do, or just wear it at night for whatever reason. So let's get into these hair details. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig out of the bag and show you guys how it looks. Right off the bat, I can already see this color is like so pretty. Like, it is so pretty. This hair, you guys, is 100% Brazilian human hair. It has a straight closure and it is already pre-plucked, and of course it's the burgundy color. I'm showing you guys the combs on here. It comes with a standard 3 combs, and something else about this wig is it has a fake scalp, so you don't have to do anything. Like, it already has a fake scalp, and you guys see it has the drawstrings in the back and it has a lace in the back and that small little lace in the front. So I'm just gonna brush her, and even brushing her, I'm not getting like too much shedding or anything like that. So yes. Now, I don't know why I did this part, because it literally has a fake scalp. So there was really no point of me doing this, but you know how with some of your wigs, you have to put your foundation on there in order to make the parting look more legit, more real. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some got-to-be glue on my forehead so that I can lay this lace down. Go ahead and blow dry it with my Conair blow dryer. Next, we're gonna be getting rid of that lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my scissors, and I'm just cutting off the back lace because I never use the back lace. Like, I just don't do it, especially for wigs that are not full lace, because I can't put it up anyway. So yeah, I don't use the back lace. I might put some bobby pins back there or something, but I'm not gluing that down. Anyways, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail so that we can glue this lace down. So now that I have my lace on, I'm just blending my glue into the lace so I can make sure that it's gonna be on really good, and I'm using my blow dryer to dry the glue. Okay, time to wrap her up so we can make sure our lace is very laced and secured. So yeah, go ahead and wrap that up, leave that on for a little while. And now I'm gonna use my scissors to cut in a zigzag motion, and I'm gonna cut away the remaining lace in the front. Okay, so you don't have to do baby hairs with this wig if you don't want to. It looks perfectly fine without it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just cut away a few strands so I can just do the baby hairs that I want for this specific look that I'm gonna be wearing, which is gonna be a very simple look. But anyways, I'm just taking some hair and with my end of my comb and just pulling out a couple strands, and I'm just gonna take my scissors and just cut them away. Like I said, I don't need too much with this wig, but yeah, I just decided to do a little bit of baby hairs. Next, we are going to be flat ironing her with my Love Me flat irons and seeing how she does with heat. So these flat irons only get up to 200 degrees, which isn't really hot enough for me. So even though they did their thing, I didn't show you guys, but I did have to run over my hair again with my other flat irons, and they get to 400 degrees because the Love Me flat irons just wasn't taking out like that crinkle kind of bent look. So yeah, I went ahead and used my other flat irons as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the entire wig. So this wig is $112.63, and like I said, it is an Amazon seller, so you will get your wig in 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. This is a sponsored video. They did send me this wig, but I still want to make sure I give you guys an honest review. Okay, so we are all done flat ironing her, and I just want to take a moment and slow this down so you guys can see the quality of this hair. I mean, this hair is so soft, so silky. It is 150% density, and this is 16 inches. So I just want to show you guys how it looks in the back once we're done flat ironing her. I mean, it's just flawless. The texture is so nice. So I want to show you guys how my baby hairs turned out. I really didn't do anything too major. Just went ahead and glued down like a couple little pieces of baby hair. This is a T-part closure, so you can't really part it anywhere else except for in the middle. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't do anything too major. I just went ahead and flat ironed my hair. I wanted to do kind of like a middle part for the outfit that I have on. I think it kind of looked cute as a middle part. But when I tell you guys that this hair is like amazing, like it is so soft and so silky, like it took so well to the flat iron. And you guys know this is 100% human hair. Like I'm gonna be wearing this for a very long time because I mean, look at this. This is just like, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my god, y'all just don't know. Like this is so pretty. I love this hair. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this hair for a very long time because she is pretty. She is bomb. Like she is bomb. I wanna do like some flexi rods in here and kind of do like a cute curly look and kind of see what I can get. But as it being straight, I think it is like really still super cute. I already gave you guys all the details as I was putting this wig on. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long she actually is. I'm gonna show you guys how long it is in the back. All right. So that is how that looks. Let me show y'all my outfit, girl, since I'm standing up. I don't know where we're going, but it's gonna be probably somewhere chill and like a casual vibe. So I just threw on like this cute little sweater, and I got these leather pants on, or pleather, whatever they are. I got these from Shein. I'm gonna do a try on haul with you guys like another day, but you know, since I was standing up, because I'm about to go out on a date, y'all. So yeah, real simple kind of vibe. Just had to throw that in there. But yeah, so anyways, like I said, I wanted to do like a middle part for this kind of look that I have going on. Nothing too major. I am going to be like probably flexing riding her and see how she does with curls, because your girl can't curl whatsoever. I cannot curl to save my life. I can't curl. I can't French braid. I don't know what happened. It just didn't get in my jeans. So I am going to be flexi riding this style and taking some cute pictures on Instagram so you guys can kind of see how it does with flexi rods or holding to curlers or whatever you want to call it. You guys make sure you go ahead and check out all the details down below in my description box. So I'll be leaving all the details down below of where you guys can get this wig from if you guys like it. I love this color on me. This color is like so freaking pretty. It is so cute. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about this wig because as I was installing her, I was already giving you guys the details about her. So I really don't have anything bad to say about this hair. Like, it's soft, it's pretty, the color is popping. I wish it was a full lace though, because if this was a full lace, baby, we'll be out here slaying, because I'll be able to wear my hair up. I'll be able to do all these different kind of styles, but you know, it's not, and it's cool. It's cool. I can't put my hair up because you guys can see, like, you know, it's not a full lace. It's one of those little inch laces or whatever. I don't know what they call it, but it ain't a full lace. I wish it was, because that'll be so bomb. Like, it'll be so bomb. But you know, I'm happy, I'm satisfied with it. I'll be coming on here for you guys, dropping more wig reviews. I've been so busy with traveling so much. I've been in Miami, I've been in Orlando, I got more trips coming up, so I've been so busy with traveling that I haven't had time to sit still and actually film a video. But my plan is to have like weekly videos coming out for you guys. with wig reviews. That is my plan, but like I said, your girl been traveling, so it's been kind of like crazy, and school finals are coming up. I'm done traveling for, I'm lying, I'm not done traveling, I'm not. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being a part of the Spice Girl and the Spice Guy team, and I will see you later. Bye. Oh yeah, let's get into these nails, y'all, too. Can y'all see those? I don't know if you guys can see these nails before my camera go dead. My nails are so freaking cute. I get my nails customly made by Bunny Nails. I'll leave her Instagram down here below. All I gotta do is text my girl, tell her what nails I want, and she delivers. Like, she delivers. And go ahead and holler at your girl, or if wherever you at, DM her,